Hey guys, welcome back to Nappy Missy 101. And yes, I know I've been missing for 2 whole weeks. And you know what? I sincerely apologize. But like everyone else, I had things going on in my life, guys. And as you already know, I'm in school. And I just had some assignments to push through because school's finished now and I need a break. So anyway, let's just jump into this. Of course, I've had these locks in for a month and 2 weeks now, and I just want to bring you all along the journey when I pick them out. Stay tuned, guys. So I'm gonna start with obviously taking out my accessories, and it's gonna take like forever. Actually, I hope it doesn't take long, but oh my god, I'm so scared to take these out, you guys. I feel like my hair is gonna be knotted up underneath, like no joke. They are so ready to come out. My hair smells, even though I already wash my hair like once every 2 months, but still. It's time for these bad boys to come out because I've been working out, you know what I'm saying? All right. Let's do this first one. And then I'm going to do the rest off camera, okay? I'm just going to cut them because ain't nobody got time for this. I don't even know where my hair comes to. I'm sure it don't, maybe it does come there. You guys, this is gonna be how, like, goodness, I'm dreading this already. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Okay, it's not too bad then. Oh my gosh. Afterwards, you guys, I'm gonna do a length check to see if my hair has grew any while in this protective style. I think it may have, Look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh god, I see my hair. Gotten it out, you guys. Wow, my hair isn't nutty. It's nice and stretched out. I mean, look at it. It's grown. It's filthy though. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at all my gray. Hi, hair. I'm so excited to see it. I think my hair has grown. I don't even know because I feel like I don't even know what my hair looks like anymore. But look at that, guys. Wow, it's due for a wash. Look at that filth. See that? Okay, keep watching, guys. Okay, guys, look how far I've got it. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. You guys, my hair has definitely grown, okay? Oh my god, I'm just like so excited. All right, let me tie this up here. There we go. Sorry, my armpit hairs are growing out. Please bear with me. Oh my goodness, my hair is growing. That it's just her product. Like, my hair doesn't smell, you guys. My hair doesn't stink or anything. It's still pretty much cleared out. This is a really awesome protective style, like, no joke. Oh my my grace. Look at that there. Out. This side is so out, guys. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna wash it and put them back in, but this time I'm doing black and a little bit of gray because I want the gray to blend in like that. You guys, I am finished. It's out, it's out, it's out. I can't really see the back, but you guys, my hair has grown. Like, you know what? This protective style is going right back in. No joke. You can't tell me my hair ain't grew. You like. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's filthy. Look at this, you like. This almost turned into a dreadlock back here. Look. Not too bad though, but it just feels gross, okay? Like, honestly, look at the back. I can't see the back. But look, guys. Like, so excited. Alright. Look how dirty it is, dude. Look. So I'm going to wash this. I'm going to wash my hair, guys. And then I'm going to redo it. Because I'm looking crazy. Alright. Thanks for watching me pick out my hair. It was a pleasure having you here back at Nappy Missy 101. It was a pleasure. So guys, stay tuned for the next video after this one because I think it's gonna be me putting back in my faux locks. Whoa. If you ain't into it, you need to get into this hairdo because it is amazing protective style. Like, no joke. No joke. I can't believe how much my hair has grown. Like, guys. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.